Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Yunmei Huang's house here in Tequila, Georgia. I'm currently on the front slope. I believe this is northeast facing. Back is southwest. Today I'm going to be removing a damaged shingle. Here is the shingle that has been damaged by wind. Here's an overview of the shingles before I start. As you can tell, all the shingles are still sealed down prior to this repair starting. I'm gonna let you guys follow along. I'm gonna put you on this cushion angle so you guys can see all the shingles I am working with today. Shingle condition up here, you have some areas of granule loss on these shingles. I think these shingles are about 13, 14 years old, I believe. Kind of well ventilated. You have some ridge vent, but pretty large roof overall, just with 24, 30 linear feet of ridge vent. So it has been, baking in the elements for those 14, 13 years. Here's the new shingle I'll be putting in today. Not an exact match. Try to find something close. But let me get you on angle so you're not staring at the sun. Alrighty, guys. All right. Here you go. Shingle tore. Hopefully we can get the other shingles up. That one was a little more difficult than the average shingle. Some of these are easier than others to get under. Yes. Like I said, some of these shingles are a little harder than others to get up. This one wants to adhere. There it is. Went right into my thumb. This one wants to adhere pretty well. All right, guys, time to remove some nails. Okay, dog, some of them. It's a good looking pup. Should be it, guys. Shingle should just pop out. Bingo, bango. Alrighty, guys, we'll go ahead and put the new shingle in. Open these nails really quick. decking up top is not as receptive to the nails. Alrighty. So here's an overview, guys. Is there a nail right there still? Nope. Okay, push them down. Here's an overview of the shingles, guys. Now, directly to the right. So I had to manipulate these shingles to remove that damaged shingle. Now, directly over to the right, none of these shingles were affected by the repair. Safe enough to say. Now, if I lightly, gently rub my hands across these shingles, you can tell that there are no loose granules coming off of these shingles. You do have areas of granule loss, but again, nothing coming off. Now, like I said, these 2 rows of shingles, I had to lift to get this damaged shingle out. Now, as you can already see across the top of these shingles, the granules have popped off and they have actually creased in these corners. This damaged shingle is already here. That's not part of the repair. But if I'm to do the same motion as before and gently rub my hands across, you can see all the loose granules on these shingles that are coming off. Sorry, the shadow line, it's hard to see it. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys and take some photos. That way you guys can see it a little better. Thank you for your consideration.